Cook up some catfish and backstrap. Just a pinch of this. Mix it up a little bit. I already have them quartered up, so I'm just going to dump the whole bag in there. Mix them. Fry them. Don't forget to write down your time so we don't forget. While we're waiting on that to get done, we're going to make some homemade tartar sauce. This is all the stuff you'll need. Mix it, and don't forget this, the best raw honey I've ever had. What more do you need? And a glass of chocolate milk to wash it down. Let's try it, hold on. Oh man, that's so good. I wish y'all could come through the camera and try this. Delicious. Cheers.